Rick, Josh here. Josh told me to send the screencast over to you. I'm just going to send over 3 free tips on how you can actually outrank your competition and really start bringing in that quality of traffic as well. I got your website pulled up here. Kind of running through it real quick. Commercial, residential, light commercial. Okay, so the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. But before I go into that, I would do some sort of click to call action. These tabs right here, I would blow them up and do like a little grab the lead, like where they put their name information in, so you can actually grab that lead. Plus, having it big and it helps narrow people in where to go too. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Google loves content. The more authoric content that you have really is going to drive your website to that first page of Google. I would recommend being about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this first page. So just being really authoric. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords as well. Even these little images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google recognized this. You have download one. You can change that and put keywords in there, and it's just going to make a world of difference with your ranking. If I go into air conditioning repair San Jose, just that's a buyer's intent keyword. Kind of give you an example of what happens here inside of Google. This is what you're going to see, actually. These these Google guarantees are actually brand new to Google. They came up with these to help weave out some of those old school traditional ads because they were really spammy with phone calls. So they came up with these Google guarantees that'll weave out some of those spam calls through those ads. Underneath this section here is going to be this little map pack. This map section here is going to be dealing to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations, whether it's the BBB, Yelp, CityStar, you got Facebook, LinkedIn. We want to get the same citations that your competition has. Obviously, we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is all the organic rankings. It's really for this section here to get the rankings here is going to come down to that authoric content on your website. Plus you need all that content so that way you can layer those keywords. And then the power that's pushing that behind it is called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from a website linking back to your website. And not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 26 referring domains, which is pushing back 322 backlinks. Looks like you started on your journey with your website back in June of 2019 or so. You're being found for 129 keywords, and in total you're getting about 1 click to your site every month. We can actually see those keywords, what you're actually being ranked for. This is how people are actually finding your website. They type in, heating repair, air conditioner, like I showed you in Google, and this is how you're being ranked. You got Mountain View Heating and Cooling. There's 30 clicks every month. Looks like you are running an ad or so with that. Are you running ads? Doesn't your PPC is 0. You may be running an ad. Anyway, it says ad right here with this keyword. And anyway, so there's 30 clicks here. Your 29th position, so organically you're missing all the traffic. Heating repair San Jose, there's 40 clicks every month with that one keyword. You're missing all the traffic because you're 33rd position. Air conditioning repair San Jose, 150 clicks every single month. 38th position, missing all the traffic. AC repair San Jose, another 100 clicks, missing all the traffic because you're 40th position. So really getting a high quality backlink and making sure you have enough content and really plugging it behind these keywords will help you get to that first page of Google. If you see any value in anything that I went over or would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.